Hey guys, Nelson Ryan, Southern Light LED here. We've got a new product on the market, new one we're introducing. We've kind of done this in our custom shop for the past few years. And we have an extreme high demand of everyone wanting this. We've got a new boat here in the shop that we're doing it, so we decided we'd go ahead and do a video, get our product online so people can do this at home, watch a video. But this is the new power pole blade. It's got the cover over the bolts and everything right here, the hydros lines coming in. This will work on the Minn Kota Talon the same. We've done it on that also. So when you get it, everything's gonna come in here. It's gonna be a kit. Open up your kit and it's gonna have everything you need. But basically, there's your wire for each side. It's got your powder coated aluminum bracket. It's going to mount on the side. If you ordered it with the wiring materials, it's going to come with all the wire switch, fuse, everything you need to get all this hooked up in your boat, bass boat, whatever it might be, center console. So what this does is this basically mounts here to this power pole bracket. You can also do this on an engine bracket if you would want, where your engine bolts, any other kind of bolt on that you would have back here on your boat. But first we're going to start real simple. We're going to take this right here, we're going to remove this cover. It's got 4 screws. This is the new blade. This covers all this up. On the older versions, it does not have this cover. It just has your bolts here that you're going to bolt to, Talon same way. So what we're going to do on one side, on this boat, on the inside, we loosened up this top. We're not taking this bolt off. This top bolt right here, we're loosening it up. This bottom bolt, we're actually going to take off. Take the nut off. We're going to take the new Rooster tail light. You're going to pull it out just a little bit, just like that right there. Run your nut back through, or your bolt back through, excuse me. Put your nut on. Just like that. We're going to tighten everything back down. These 2 bolts we loosened on this side. Make sure you get it positioned where you want it. Make sure it's level, just how you want it. Just like that. Take your cover. This goes back on, but on this one, some of them it lines up, some of them it doesn't, but you might have to do a little trimming right here. All you have to do right here on this is just take your little file. I would put it on, mark where your bracket comes out. It's real thin, so it's, most of them it'll just screw back on. But if it does, mark where it comes out. Right between those marks, take you a little file and just file it a little bit and keep retesting it and seeing if it'll screw on. Once that screws on, basically take your wire. It's gonna be zip tied. You can take it and you're gonna run it up here like this and run it right down your hydro lines right inside your boat. Once you've done that, you can check your fit. This one, it's angled perfect. It's not gonna hit the motor. We've already tested most all of these and the motor will not hit it when it turns all the way. But if this angle wasn't exactly how you want it, these are aluminum brackets. You can bend it and customize it to your desired, projection. If you wanted to cross them or wanted it out more, you can pull it out. These are gonna come in raw aluminum. Most of this power pole system, a lot of this is raw aluminum. But on this particular boat, this is kind of a blacked out version. The boat's black, everything. So this was all black. We powder coated it black. We can powder coat it any color you want. All you have to do is select color, write down the color in the color section of your exact color. If we don't know what it is, we'll call you, get it as close as we can. But then you basically pull this bracket exactly to whatever angle you would prefer it, and once it's on there, you're good to go. We're going to duplicate the same thing on this side. We got our cover off, got our top bolt loosened, our bottom one out. Just pull on it just a hair. real thin aluminum, so it doesn't take much to get behind there. And then we're gonna take this and just line it up right through there, and then just feed it through, just like that. Put your nut on and your washers back on. Just like that. Tighten it all down with the impact. Get it angled just right. Take your wires up here, zip tight with the zip ties provided. Right down this hydro line. You can run it right with them, right inside your boat. We're gonna take both of these wires, run them right here in our battery box compartment, and wire it into our switch system. We got everything wired up. We got our cover put back on. Good thing on this, we didn't have to do any trimming. It had enough gap off the back that we didn't have to do any trimming on our factory plastic piece covering this. It just slid right over perfectly fine. We got our wires hid going right down the hydro line. This is our power pole rooster tail light kit. It comes in green, red, amber, white, blue, and UV. Guys, these are great for fishing or backing up or just looking cool running down the lake. This one came with our wiring kits material. That's going to give you everything when you get this kit, that you can get it wired into your boat, switch, fuse, everything. You can watch that video on our YouTube channel or on our website. It'll show you what you get with our wiring materials kit. But let's check it out, see what it looks like. Customer wanted to go with green on these. Guys, these are super bright. There's nothing that can compare to our rooster tails. What's unique versus other brands that have lights that mount way down by the plug? Guys, when that light's way down by the plug, you can't get any kind of illumination. The reason why those lights are down there is they require the water to cool them. Our rooster tail lights don't require water. They're super bright without using the water to cool them, so you can mount them right at the water line, getting the most versatile light that's ever been produced. If you have any questions, you can give us a call, or if you need this product, you can check it out on our website, www.southernliteled.com. Thank you.